Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a alphabetical list. Now in Excel you're able to go ahead and just type the beginnings of a series, let's say for example 1, 2, 3, and use the fill handle here to kind of let it expand out and kind of complete that list for you. You can even do this for days of the week. Let's say Sunday and then Monday, and then I can just select these two and kind of go down, and you can see it completes it. It goes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And this is basically because this custom list is kind of defined there for the text. Of course, for numbers, you can do it because it's already kind of built in. If I want to do every odd number, I can also do something like this and kind of go down, and you can see every odd number is filled out. Now, you would also think that maybe this would do this with an alphabetical list, A, B, C. And if I try to complete that, you would notice that it doesn't do that. It basically repeats it. Maybe I want to create an alphabetical list that goes down or across, and really there is no custom list here that's defined for that. Now you can go ahead and create a custom list and do that, but why do that when you can just programmatically insert that here? Now what you can do is you can use the character function to help define that for you. So what does a character function does? Basically, based on a number, like 1, 2, 3, and it goes up to 255, it will give you the character of that number. So if I type 1, 2, 3, actually I can just probably do something easier. I can type 1, go under fill, go under series, and I'm going to go, the series is in a column, the stop value is going to be 255. Click OK. You'll notice now it goes all the way down to 255. Control down arrow takes me to the bottom. Control up arrow takes me back to the top. Now what I'm going to do is use the char function, C-H-A-R, the character function, and just define that. Close parentheses, press Control Enter to stay in that cell. You can notice it's a 0. It's an empty cell, so basically 1 is empty. And let me go ahead and double click the fill handle here, and you'll notice now all these different characters that are defined based on that number. So a char 7 is that bullet. And if I go all the way down to 65, let me go ahead and press Control G to go to E65. That takes me down here. That is the beginning of an alphabet. Now, uppercase A, right? I'll have this errant little yellow highlight. I'm going to just highlight this one, right? And if I go down to E97, let me go ahead and press Control G to go to E97. That gives me to the beginnings of the letter small lowercase a here, right? You go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and it goes all the way down here. Let me go press the down arrow. It goes all the way down to Z here. So with this particular char function, what I can do is I can write a formula to go ahead and create an alphabetical list. Now, if all you want to do is just go ahead and copy and paste this, let me go back to 65, E65. If you just wanted to go ahead and copy and paste this, you can just take this particular selection here. Let me go back to the uppercase. Control C and go into another cell and just go ahead and paste just the values. And instead of getting the char function, you can get the values themselves, and you can create this alphabetical list. But if you wanted to create a formula to do this for you, what you can do is you can just go ahead and use a particular formula. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a range of cells. These are going to be 26 cells. And I'm going to type this formula equals char. And it's going to be the number 65 because it's the uppercase A begins with 65. And then minus row, open parentheses, and the first one is B1, colon, and B26 because there's 26 letters in the alphabet, right? Oh, actually this is going to be a plus. And then minus row, B1, because that's the first row. And then go ahead and close parentheses, press Control Shift Enter, and now you notice that it's created the alphabet, the uppercase alphabet. I can do the same here for lowercase alphabet. As you noticed before, lowercase alphabet starts at 97, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and just take this formula here, Control C to copy, escape, select all the way to 26 here, Or maybe I don't want all 26. Maybe I just want half of that. I'll go ahead and go to 13 here. I'll go ahead and just Control V to paste that in there. And what I want to do now is all I need to do is just press Control Shift Enter. I can still keep within the B1 to B26 because I'm just referring another cell. I'm not really doing anything with that. I'm just doing a reference for that. What the row function does is just counts which row it's in. So now if I wanted the lowercase numbers, I can just start at 97 here, right? Control Shift Enter, and now I've got my lowercase here. So to do it in a column, what I need to do is just replace those row functions with a column function. So I can just I can select the range of cells where I want my alphabet to go. Let's go from A to M. So let me go ahead and type in the formula, char tab 97. We'll start with the lowercase. Then we'll go ahead and add the column A1, column, let me select the column function here, A1 colon to M1, close parentheses, and then minus column, and then A1, and then close parentheses for the whole formula. Control Shift Enter, and now you have A to M across the board. So that's your way of go ahead and generating the alphabetical list. You can either generate it horizontally, or here in the row, we generated it vertically. So if you're into formulas, you can probably use this particular formula to create an alphabetical list. Or if you just wanted to go ahead and do something easy, go ahead and just use the char function for 97, starting at 97 for the lowercase, or starting at 65 for the uppercase. So whichever way you want to do to create an alphabetical list, go ahead and use these two particular methods. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.